Alright, this is how you add pages in Wix. Go here, go to Manage Pages, and under Manage Pages you have this. I'm just going to hit Add Page, and we'll call it Contact Page. For example, this is just an example. Maybe I'll make a new page here, and the new page is called Laser Cutter Example. Now, if I want this page to be a sub page, which means from the contact page I can get to the laser cutter example, I can pull this ever so slightly and up, and you can see that line appear. Now that's a sub page. Cool. So that's how you add pages and how you organize pages. Enjoy.